Hey everyone, this is Dave with a 2-second lean video. I have to start off with a disclaimer. I am at home, however, I don't encourage anyone to do this at home, but I think I can get Tim to let me use it. So everyone remembers those carts that were on the auction. Everyone was bidding on them, and I was lucky enough to get one, and this is what I used it for. I organized and sorted and cleaned up all of my nuts and bolts, and they are sorted according to size. So now when I need a certain size of bolt, nut, washer, I have one drawer to go to, so I don't have to fish around, which saves me a lot of motion, and it's way organized. They used to be up here on that wall right there, and every time I walked around the side of my truck, I would run into them and knock them down. So this helps out dramatically, and I think it's going to work for a long, long time. Thanks. That's my 2-second lean.